Neighbors, neighbors, neighbors. Good morning. Good morning. Neighbors, come on, neighbors, neighbors, neighbors. Look at this beautiful day. Look at this beautiful day. Neighbors, neighbors. Good morning, Sarah. How do you feel? It's your very first morning. Waking up after camping. How you feel? Yo, you never feel the sun start come out and wow up a tent?
Yeah, like just while ago.
I don't wait me, you know.
Yeah.
I say, geez,
So I said, no, such a funny.
feel like a bread with melted cheese.
And then now the sea, I don't know. Is that every time it sounded louder, like at one point, my dream said,
Check everything.
yes.
Oh my gosh.
But it wasn't a bad night. It wasn't a bad night. It was very long though.
Night
Felt
never
like
long
a-
to me.
It felt like a long night.
I got you.
Yeah. It was alright.
Yes, Miss Tiffany, how you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Huh?
How you feeling? Tiffany feel like a bubble jet every couple of morning and say, yes, Ja. Alright, so we got a bunch of clothes just hanging all around and the sun is coming out, so I'm gonna make a quick clothesline so we can just hang up our clothes, get them dried. Because it did rain yesterday, we did go in the water, so let's do that really quick. All right, and we have the line set up real quick. Yeah, I think the next mission is to gather all the firewood into one place. The good thing about here is that there's a lot of that out here, so we just want to get all the dry ones that we can. Yeah, I find that when you're outdoors, you kind of have to make sure that you're doing things at targeted times because you can wake up in the morning, you want to take all those great photos and stuff like that, and then you forget that you're hungry, and then when the hunger starts, it takes a while to cook. So speaking of clothes, I got done hanging out a few clothes and you're making clothes.
Yes.
Big up Nuts JA, still on the job making bikinis and thing.
Kind of toasty, but.
I'm about to say like it's hot in here. So why don't you like come out the tent?
I get to sit down while I'm doing it, but Sudan still, so you know.
Vibes.
Yeah. Guys, go for the pictures and these swimmies, because I'm about to get lit.
hot out here. Probably today we can set up the tarps, kind of block out some of the extra sun. But anyway, we're gonna go to the river really quick and yeah, get that shower, man. Alright, so we reach at the river now. First time. Tiffany can't manage the rocks. The rocks. What do you feel the rocks in for them?
I mean, them kind of sharp still, but you know.
They ain't sharp, they're round.
No, I think stepping on them, they kind of feel, you know, them hot. Them juk from foot bottom. Yes. But the greatest thing about it when you're done, your foot bottom nice and soft.
It's like, yeah. I say that, show me foot bottom, isn't it?
Nice and soft.
I got you.
But this water is very needed because, trust me, up there's a hot board.
Yeah.
So it's time to get wet.
Vanilla, you coming for a swim? Nope.
Oh yeah. Yes.
You feel nice.
Woo. Yes. Oh god, yeah. Yeah, man. This is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice water. Right up? Nice. Oh, like a black water. You ever wonder what king feel like? What? Go under. There we are. Bomb.
What is vanilla sniffing?
Other dog.
Yeah, look who knows just.
You smell the other dog though. He's like, I smell mom.
He's in the happy pants. He's like, where do I enter?
You see the other dog, you know? Now, where do I want to go over?
The dog going to have some.
She's trying to swim. The banana is trying to swim just to get to the other dog.
What's dog? Bring that to home. How's everybody doing today? I'm in the river, baby.
Well, I see you. Yeah. Vanilla is low-key upset that she can't go to the other dog then. She begs. Can't cook.
Wash my face.
What kind of soap that? Because I know some woman out there want to know how your skin looks clean more and
Turmeric and lime soap. It's natural. All natural. Nothing else added. This is what I want to use.
are you a Protex?
No, it's salicylic acid
Okay.
and something else in there.
Right. So if you want to know, I know a lot of times you guys watch the videos and you kind of want a reference as to what's happening. Right now we're using some egg protein shampoo, you know that? It's a old school Jamaican. Well, let me show them real quick. By Purelene. It's egg protein, so I don't know what a vlogger smell like right now. I swear. And because of that, you say all about the egg protein.
It reminds me of the days when I used to save me like a lunch money to go buy
Egg protein.
egg protein and the what you call it, the conditioner.
Oh. I like it, man. It's a type of remind me of country I grew up Chilani.
Yeah.
That one.
Well,
And a turmeric still in, but you see it.
The vibe.
oh my god, this is so good as well. Ooh. Yo, the water in my head top.
Yeah, good,
Good.
You ever know what things feel like? Don't wonder. Where's the clothesline up?
Smells good. Smells natural.
Psst, nice body. You smell good too? But them know say you smell good too, you know. Eh? Nice body. Nice girl. Sweet girl. Alright, so we know how this go already. Cut up some scallions, some thyme, and some other ingredients, and Tiffany I deal with some pine.
Fine.
Vibes. Hey, the fire hot, you know? Boy, fire hot sharp, brother. Because it's so hot, I'm not even gonna put it on the fire. I'm gonna put it close to it. Guys, we have our own special fruit concierge out here saying, Roger. But to get them fruits, vitamin C, very important for out here, you know?
Very important.
Yeah, man.
Always start your day with fruits before you start the day, trust me.
Pineapple for the.
Mm-mm.
God, them fire burn hot. Yeah, so put it in the outer parts, I fire. Ramping on. No war going for them. What are you about, brother? I'm mad for it up. When did you start eating papaya? Guys, Keanu's model look is so intense, you can feel it from like, it's like 50 feet. It's ridiculous, bro. To make your idea the plant so strong. Starfish them. I already pre-prep some of them stuff from the house already because you don't know. And I time for a boil sawfish and all them something there out there. Right, hungry bites. Couple pimento seed. Drop that in. Little black pepper. Kinda like with my sawfish have a little fry into it. Then we have this cut up some scallion, garlic, thyme. So Sarah cut up them or something not too long ago. a light saute. Some onion. Take a quick light saute on this too. I'll leave that little bit and then flip it. Alright, it's a nice little color team there so. Alright, watch out now. Add some coconut milk. So we are gonna do it like how the boss show you what they up on that river video. We go hang out with young suds them. So I'll go drop a link somewhere up top so you guys can check it out. But the same concept, so it's like a ackee and saltfish rundown. Might be weird for some, but trust me, I tried it and it was a vibe. We don't have no pepper, so we have some crushed pepper. But normally I add like a scotch bonnet. You know we're camping, so that kind of got forgotten. Throw some of that real quick. There we go. Add some ackee. So how I add the ingredients them is really based on what is going to sag and you know what I want to have a little bit of crisp. So that's generally what I do. Take a quick taste on the sauce. You see me? Quick taste on the sauce. Alright, pour out because we are going to finish it up for now. Adding the tomato. That is there for color. Tomato this. I park some. So gradually folding in. I don't want it too runny. I want it to have a nice little creaminess to it same way. Add the rest of the green pepper. And you really have to know what you're doing to make this fire work, you know? So we're just using residual heat and keep some of the system on the outer parts. And there you have it, man. A beautiful ackee rundown. We're gonna make Tiffany, cheese one of them ackee real quick.
God. Steven, food orgasm right now. Nice. Like Spanish rice.
Oh, show them. See what I say? See that?
It tastes good.
Tastes good.
Smells good.
Oh
Oh my god.
So cut us a scrape off the breadfruit really quick. But now I go peel it, so I cut it in half, take out the heart. I will go serve the ackee rundown right in the middle light, you see me? Drop little fry plant on top of that. Some sweet potato and match sitting. Move them thing again. Alright, watch it now. Drop some. Alright, run through Sarah with the plant them. So Sarah, I have to talk to you really quickly and very frankly. Planting is the star of any Jamaican dish. When I be the one nobody want to tell me. It is a star. So you cannot afford to spoil the star.
Or burn it.
Or burn it, you see me? Planting is like one of them Jamaican man there. To turn your back, you get bun. You understand? So you can't turn around on the planting, you know.
I keep my eyes on it, you know?
Alright. Alright, this is probably the first time Sarah ever make anything outdoor cooking style for me. Sarah, stop turn the plant them now, you turn them 5, 6, 7 times.
Listen, I don't want them stick. So the one them feel like them a stick. I want to cook. I want a chef today.
No, me I teach you something. I force some of them to turn on plant 5 times. See the one there far over the side, that one they need to click here. See? So the quick trick that I used to know when anything is fried, whether it's fish, plantain or anything like that, you see like halfway up along the side, you see it start browning. Once you see that, you know that the underside is done.
Yeah.
Hot? Burn you? Will you touch something?
No, the wood, the flame.
Oh, hush.
I lie, the heat in this kitchen.
It's hot, sis.
Jesus.
Keanu. We know when people are watching video, they say, yo, yeah, man. Hot, you know? Sometimes you have to send Keanu anyway. Say, Keanu, take out this for me. Come big Keanu want it sometime. What I go get some longer thongs. So the hand don't have to do it so close.
Wait, the hot steam?
Leave those, leave them. So you don't have to always be going back. They're not ready to turn. Alright, these are looking beautiful, yeah? Looking good, so you're not getting a bun. It's our vibes.
No plantains were burned in the process.
Everybody eat half a breadfruit. You understand? Yeah, man. No, somebody go drop in the comments. And I say you pay breadfruit. But you know what? Yeah, show you same way.
Come tip on it.
I really unsure them. Not tell them I can't pay breadfruit. Fight me. But how I do it the way you understand? Same way you see like them ox, coconut. See that? So So me peel my breadfruit. It just show you in our life. Everybody do things differently. Some people stuck in a traditional ways, but guess what? By same end result. See that? See inside the breadfruit plate? Know what I mean? Where's sweet potato there? No, that's sweet potato here. You smell it? Hey. Who wants sweet potato?
Yeah.
You. Have a spoon? Alright, so I gotta do. Same style, you know.
One with my face on it. No, not that one. Yeah. It's already roasted.
Sweet potato is soft, so we can just watch out. Properly roast it, pull it right out. Look at that. See that?
So good.
So we have one sweet potato. Cut half. So quarter for me, quarter for Sarah. Look at that. Sarah, what is beautiful thing, man. It's a beautiful thing. Scoop out that one I know for cousin Tiffany. Alright, so we're planting them there. Carry on the plate them so we can share them up now. Come on, so see the planting here. And watch out. We have planting in abundance. Planting don't mean. Watch out so. Everybody get a whole of plant to themselves, and that's what we like to see. You understand? Help yourself, cuz. So we're going traditional on the almond leaves.
From the banana to the almond.
I like to see it, man. Tiffany, one want to eat after what I tell them?
Sorry. I never know. Jesus, I'm sorry. This is really nice though. As I said, once you go roasted, you can go back in.
By the time they were bust up and they roast it up, so
Say.
yeah, man.
And I stop
Vibes.
out the door.
You know, so alright, now. Where comes breadfruit then? Alright, time for the rundown. Oh. Yes, Lord. Roll through, cuz, Lord. What am I putting?
Right, now,
Can I make go?
the board. See that? Smell nice, you know, one?
Smell good now. Alright. Shear myself, you know. My silver roll through with the plates. Carry closer, come on, no one, not no yes. No. Come, Sarah. Right, it, Sarah. Take for a sweet potato bowl. A style thing. Alright. Vibes. Food up. See your plate, cuz.
I tried my best.
We're not starve out there, someone.
No, not that.
Sarah plate. Indigenous. Yeah, man. Vibe.
And this is called Love Nation adaptation, you know.
Where's there?
This is the good life.
Vibe.
This is a great way to be stuck on an island.
No words. Sarah.
Bad man. Trust me, and ackee. Where food? Super just some plantain?
Vibe.
Vibe.
Man.
Okay, God continues to bless you.
Blessings down.
This is very good.
Also tonight, Sarah and Tiffany are going to be cooking the entire dish for us from start to finish. No help, them I light the fire, everything. And I can predict it's going to be like some form of night cooking. And Tiffany says she's nervous.
I'm nervous. I can't compete with Steven.
Vibe. Question, I first I eat ackee rundown?
Yeah.
First time?
Yep.
Would you say it's something that you would order on a restaurant menu if you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can open a restaurant.
No, but
please.
I'm not like, this was Steve make? Bad. Bad.
Said it's like food, but some can't afford it.
Guys, stomach is really full right now. Yeah, I'm gonna lay down on the rocks and just call it a day, man. Yeah, anyway, remember three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember,